mention maybe, Amanda, at this point, which is related to the question. I feel that we have just reached base camp, and we have been equipped with the tools to now climb Mount Everest and reach the summit. And it's just the new chapter for us. There's no exit for the founders.
What is going on, my meta-millionaires? It is your boy, Terry Stonkers, and welcome to my channel, baby, by the dip. Alright, guys, and if you see right here, we just hit 25,000 subscribers on the YouTube channel. I want to say thank you. I love and appreciate every single one of you meta-millionaires helping me get to 25,000. Now we are on the road to 50K. We got a long way to go on that, but the way METATERRY is rolling and the way the stock market's treating us, we're going to get there soon. So anyway, we got to celebrate tonight. We got the craziness of Mmat, but even more craziness of the Mmtlp. So we got a lot to talk about here, just briefing everything that we know about this. And before we do all that, we got something we got to finish off here, guys. And as I told you in last night's video, I know y'all like that edit. But anyway, the Mad Dog is back. And with the craziness, I believe the shorts are in trouble. We're just here kind of talking tonight, man. We're not doing any, DD and anything. We're just kind of discussing, having a conversation. And I'm not really going to do much edits for this video. I just want to have a conversation with you all on this live premiere. I'll be down in the comments, chatting it up with you guys. So get a drink. Let's finish off this bottle of MD. I've been nursing this bad boy for months, and it's time to finish it off. And I know Sandra has did enough super chats to fund me the next about 50 bottles of Mad Dog. This is $4 or $5 a bottle. So thank you again, Sandra, for all your support. And let's toast to the future of metamaterials. There it is, guys. We are officially done. Woo! All right. Like I said, I don't even know where I'm going to go with this. But anyway, we're happy for 25,000. I know you guys really like the briefings I do at work on break. Those videos seem to get pretty good views. So you guys like those 3-4 minute videos. But for the sake of this, let's just go here to METATERRY stock. We just flatlined today. We came out of the gate. We hit up here at like 550. We shot back down to 530 basically. We ended there at 531. But look at this, man. Here's the big talker, man. This Mmtlps. This thing is up over 1,800% in 5 days. Now, there had to be someone selling down here at 10 cents. When I first even knew about this, guys, I first bought this at 80 cents. And then I was able to buy it at like 70 cents. And then I was buying again at like 73 cents. And I want to say on the video here, congratulations to one of the viewers, Grizzy. I did mention him in the video I did at work. But, I don't know exactly what to make of this now. I'm definitely, this is, Sterling confirmed earlier. He spoke with METATERRY's investor relations. And they confirmed that somehow these shorts are able to put these preferred shares on the market, but Meta doesn't even have any knowledge of this. This is what's crazy. They don't even have any, and they don't know anything. And somehow the shorts are able to put these on there. So if you do buy these, you are, entitled to those dividends / spinoffs. You are entitled to it. But like I said, if you're buying this at $1.90, this could crash back down to 10 cents. There's been a theory out there going around that is the shorts trying to trick us? Let's say these are officially no part of METATERRY. We got that clear. Sterling cleared that up. I know Smokey was pretty much clearing that up as well. I had 11-hour workday, so I didn't have any chance to talk to anyone, unfortunately. I didn't get the phone call with anyone because, like I said, I was at work all day. I'm here making this video for you guys and we're just talking about stuff. But anyway, what if the shorts are in here running up this price, okay, of these preferred shares? Here's what we're going to go theory this. They run up the shares to $3. They run up the shares to $4 or $5. And people's buying in because what do we do as retail investors? We buy in on hype. We buy in on hype. And what happens if, say, the shorts pull a rug on us and this drops back down to 10 cents, 20 cents? Because METATERRY has nothing to do with this. And they made all that money back and then they could rebuy them back in, man. So it's kind of like, buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing on this. And being with metamaterials, especially not to do with it, I would only say definitely, trade on this with, caution. Now, I did risk a couple $100 in it. Showed y'all I had some shares. So anyway, there's nothing wrong with taking profits on it. But, if you're okay with risking, $1.90 per share, that's going to get you future dividends, future spinoffs out of it. It's definitely worth it. Meta has confirmed that as well from Sterling's video. So it does seem like you buy this, you hold on to it, you are entitled to your rights. But if it does shoot up, don't be afraid to take any profits. There's nothing wrong with taking any profits, guys. At least take the initial investment back. So just for an example, for me, I threw around like $500 into it just as a gamble. I had no idea what it is. Now we have a little bit more clarification. The metamaterials has nothing to do with this. This is just the shorts, hedge funds trying to get, I guess, your preferred shares. So these are extras that you could get. And basically, I bought in dirt cheap, 70 cents and 80 cents, guys. I showed you that screenshot here on my Twitter, I believe. Let me find it. Oh, here it was. I posted this screenshot earlier. Oh, sorry for being so big, but you can see down there. The thing was up to 161% today. That's huge gains either way you look at it. Usually if stocks run that much, they do tend to drop. I did sell half my position today, just disclosing that. I had a total of 600 shares. I sold 300 of the shares at like $1.96. So I sold them at like 180, 190% gains, guys. Something like that. So, there's nothing wrong with that. I took my initial investment off the table and got a little profit on top of that investment, and I'm letting the 300 shares ride. If this goes up to $5 or $4, I may sell out more. If it drops back down, like I told you on the video earlier today, I got capital now to buy the dip. If this drops back down to 50 cents, you're going to be mad. Why didn't I sell some here at $2? I didn't take anything off the table. So we don't want that to happen. Where would I want to go here? So I got a lot of stuff pulled. Here you go. I did post a video on this as well on the OTC markets. You can see here, man, it has the securities, the dollar value, share volume, and things like that. I don't know how accurate all this is because they confirmed they have nothing to do with this. Meta confirmed they have nothing to do with this on here. This is somehow, though, Meta has confirmed that if you sell this, you lose your preferred shares. So you have to take that, man. You have to weigh the risk versus reward. Is this something you're willing to sell if it hits a certain price? Like I said, this isn't the preferred shares that I held on to. I was buying this not knowing exactly what it was, and I did sell half the position to lock in some gains. And I posted this link down here. I want you all to keep up with that daily. I did want to show you this as well. I haven't been on Mmtlp covering the short interest data because really that's kind of irrelevant right now. We don't care about that. MMTLP is what we're caring about. But we have a new investor here, bought 136,000 shares. This Pacifica Partners. And this is pretty darn recent, guys. Check this out. On 10/7, just yesterday, Pacifica Partners disclosed ownership in 136,529 shares of metamaterials as of September 30th. So that is very, very recent. You're talking they bought these shares within the last 30, 45 days, around that time frame. So this to me seems like another bullish position. Like I said, if I go back here and look at this, man, I just love seeing the institutional ownership, and we're going to go look at that as well, because that is some stuff we need to take an eye on. Look at this green of the institutional ownership, guys. Look at the sea of green on this. There is a couple cells on there, but there's way more green than there is red and everything else. Man, there's a sea of green. And if we go back here, here it is. Ownership accumulation score is a 98.98, ranked number 19 out of 22,000 stocks on the Mmtlp. That is phenomenal, guys. We still got the same amount of shares outstanding, 279 million. I believe we go back here to this. You can see our momentum score is looking pretty darn phenomenal as well. We do have a lot of momentum. I could say that. Now this here, momentum, we got 98.88. It's a proprietary scoring model that ranks companies on their 6-month momentum. And I must say the last few months have been a lot of momentum. So this is pretty much going to probably hit 100. I wouldn't be surprised if this would hit 100 one day. It still doesn't say that if it's 0 to 100. I would assume it is because pretty much everything else Mmtlp does, it's 0 to 100. What else do we got here on the Twitter? Guys, if you're not following me on Twitter, go follow me at TerryZ247. We hit the 25,000 subscribers on YouTube. Now I'm trying to hit the 1,000 followers on Twitter, and we've been growing like crazy. I've been being very active on Twitter, so thank you for everyone that's been following me. Like I said, go check out this pinned comment on the Overstock article. Here it is. We can click it and view it real quick. So if you're worried about the shorts coming back soon, Metamaterials, we covered this in yesterday's video. Utah there decided that Overstock wins, so you don't have nothing to worry about on that. All right, back to the Twitter here. And like I said, guys, sorry I'm not really editing. I did post this. This was just showing 3 articles, and they were all kind of this one was pretty bullish on the right. This one was kind of 50-50. This one was pretty negative as I got in there to read about it, but I don't think they understand. Like they're basing it on a lot of the financials. This is a brand new up and coming growing company, and you can't really base it upon just the financials right now. And I think we're going to prove them wrong on that. Here's where I posted about 25,000 subscribers. This is the stocks. And here's the last thing I do want to cover for this video. Metamaterial News put out some great DD here today. So here it is. Mmat preferred share update. Potentially means Hazel Project purchase agreement took place September 30th. Shorts are buying back required shares. More land sales to come. Spinoff company. Retweet this and spread this around. Let's get it trending. I did that. It's on my page. Here we go. Mmat rare stock opportunity. Let's go over this real quick. There is to be multiple land sales, multiple dividends paid directly into your account, and to receive a dividend, you must hold the stock Mmtlp. That, like I said, that has been confirmed. Sterling and Smokey has talked to Metamaterials, and I take their word for it. I know they're telling the truth, and they confirm this is the preferred share. Somehow these shorts and hedge funds can put these on the market, and they're not even out yet, and fooling people and selling them for 10 cents. Like I said, I was able to buy some ones at 70 cents and 80 cents, and I sold them for almost $2. So that's a lot of gains, and I made some money on it. I still got some of the rest. I still got 300 of those shares, so I don't have near as much of money at risk it now, and I already got profit in it. So if it goes back down to 10 cents, I'm still good. So it's all about locking in some gains, man. If you want to be safe, buy the metamaterial stock. Just buy straight Mmat stock. That is your safest bet. These are risky, so only put in gambling money on these unless you think the dividend is going to be higher. His second bullet point, it's a very unique opportunity to buy the Mmtlp on the expectancy they will announce sales of land spinoff company with upcoming dividends deposited to be made from now to 30 days later. The bullet point number 3, with these announcements are made, the price of Mmtlp will rise accordingly according to the expected dividend payout. Number 4, if no sales of land occurs, then the evaluation at Mmtlp will be land total land value, which they say is in the billions. Mmtlp has just under 200 million shares out. So even if the land's worth $2 billion, that means $10 of Mmtlp per share. So that is pretty darn exciting. And the 5th bullet point, since the dividend took place before the merger, short positions and naked shorts are required by the SEC to buy back the shares, which may lead to a short squeeze for Mmat and expect the preferred dividend amount. Example, the OSTK stock ran from $3 to $100 after their preferred dividend. So I'm not saying Metamaterial is going to go to $100, but there is potential, that this could go $10, $15, $20 on this potential dividend. There is always that chance. It may not go at all. We don't know. Same here with the preferred shares. Just running my theory here on this. What if this is the old pull the rug on us, man? We don't want that to happen. So if you're in this and you capture some gains, it wouldn't hurt to do that. But if you want to ride it out and you think we're going to get some crazy amount of dividends, then, it's your own decision. It's your money. Like I said, none of this is financial advice. It's just my opinion. Just shooting off the hip here. I did have a little mad dog, so maybe my brain ain't working right now. But anyway, oh, man, this is probably one of the, I don't know, just random videos. Like I said, I love it. Not really much else to say. It's kind of basically at the end of the sum. It's your decision. It's your money, your financial. You make the calls. Like I said, Grizzly Man bought in like 5,000 shares at $1, sold them at $3, made like 10 G's. So Grizzy man, congrats on you. I read other people's comments as well that bought down cheap and they just locked in some gains. There's nothing wrong with that, man. We're here in the stock market to capture some gains. So hope y'all enjoyed this kind of just ramble on video, no edit style. It's late Friday night. I had an 11-hour workday, so appreciate y'all still sticking around. And thank you all again for 25K subscribers. It means the world to me. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.